Welcome to Packback. If you've used Packback before, you may notice some new tools in your community this term. If you haven't used Packback before, this is a great introduction. When you start your course for the semester, please pay close attention to the syllabus. It may have you access and register for Packback through your course page. Otherwise, you may receive an email from Packback specifically. Either way, follow instructions for registration. On the registration page, you'll see that you have access to both Packback Questions and Packback Instruct, which both contain helpful tools to make this an engaging semester where you can both explore and defend your curiosities. This video will focus exclusively on Packback Instruct and how to use polling throughout the term. Once you're logged in and registered, you'll find there are two different types of polling: in-class polls and homework polls. For homework polls, your instructor may post a poll they want you to respond to. You'll see this appear on your regular Packback feed. The poll may even be pinned to the top of the page to grab your attention. To answer this poll, simply click on Add Response. Then click Post Response. Then you'll go ahead and read the entirety of the question and select your poll choice. Then defend your response. Defending your response is required in this case. If your instructor has set a curiosity score minimum for your post, you'll need to meet the minimum in order to receive full credit, just like any other post on Packback. Once you click Submit Post, you'll be able to see and interact with responses from others in your class as well. You'll also receive credit for one response for the week in your Packback grades, which you can find if you click back and go to your community. Under your avatar, view grades. During class time, your instructor may also utilize in-class polls, which work slightly differently. In this case, you'll need to navigate to the left-hand side of your page and select Discussion Polls. From there, you'll see any active polls, including both homework polls and in-class polls. Please follow their instructions and find the poll they want you to answer. In this case, I'm looking at this one. Go ahead and once again select Add Response and Post Response. In this case, a response is not required beyond selecting a poll choice. Your instructor may or may not encourage you to defend your poll answer, but you don't need to be able to do that in order to submit your post. Once you hit Submit, you'll once again be able to see how others have also responded. Although you do not receive credit for your Packback in-class polls, this is a great opportunity to stay engaged in class, think about topics at hand, and provide meaningful data that will help customize instruction. Your instructor may use in-class polling as a participation or attendance points, but these points will not be reflected in your Packback grades found on the left-hand side of your page. If you have any questions on how to use polling, please reach out to help@packback.co.